Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dropbox for smart file syncing habits step by step. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.dropbox.com and press enter. Wait for the Dropbox homepage to load. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the first field. In the second field, type your password. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once all information is entered correctly, click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Dropbox account dashboard. Here you can see all your files and folders. To explore further, look for the navigation options on the left side of the screen. If you have two-step verification enabled, you may need to enter the code sent to your mobile device. After entering the code, you will gain access to your Dropbox account. Now that you are logged in, familiarize yourself with the smart file syncing features. Adjust your settings according to your syncing habits for optimal performance. Explore the interface to enhance your file management process. You are now ready to use Dropbox efficiently for smart file syncing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.